Let's set this moment on fire. Yeah, yeah. Let's set this moment on fire. Welcome back to the channel. Or welcome to the channel. Today I got a special one for you guys. Today I'm going to teach you how to make organic toothpaste using 5 of my favorite secret ingredients. Okay, so stay tuned and locked in, baby, locked in. Click subscribe, click the like button, click whatever you want to click. Okay, so the first ingredient I got, it's coconut oil. It's kind of glitchy, so I'm doing my best. This is coconut oil right here. This coconut oil will help prevent stains in your teeth, and you can also use it for baking as well. See that? Organic virgin coconut oil, among the world's most nutritious coconut oil. Right here, this is the first ingredient that will go into, that will go into the toothpaste. So the second ingredient, we have activated charcoal. Oh, come on, stop glitching. We have activated charcoal, guys. Okay, this will help whiten your teeth. Okay, it's very effective. Okay, activated charcoal. And then the third ingredient is Himalayan salt. This will help disinfect your mouth and disinfect your gum, leaving you with healthy gums. See that? Himalayan salt. But this also contains all the trace minerals as well, so you can also ingest this and eat it with your food. It's very good for your health. I would highly recommend it. And the fourth ingredients I have is baking soda. This is premium baking soda. This will clean your teeth. Very effective. And I use water as well. A bottle of water. And you will mix all those ingredients in a cup like this. Add the water in there. Add the Himalayan salt, activated charcoal, and coconut oil. It will come out looking like this right here. Sorry for the glitch, guys. My camera is acting up. I hope you can see this. Looks like this. And you basically slap it on your toothbrush like this. Get it in the toothbrush and you brush your teeth with it like so. So organic. Fluoride free. This is very effective as well. Smash a like and smash subscribe so I can notify you when I have a new video uploaded. Peace out. Have a nice day.